Alright, today is September 2nd, 2024. I'm cooking a chicken adobo. Right now I am simmering the sauce. So what I did earlier, I already this is gonna be a dry chicken adobo, okay? It's not gonna be wet adobo, it's gonna be dry. It's not the sticky one, but it's gonna be dry. So what I did earlier, I just sauteed the chicken, right? And then I sauteed the onions, and then I marinate the chicken with soy sauce and vinegar, and then I put it here and on the casserole, on this little casserole. And then after I'm putting the chicken, I put them on this right here. Have them here, so they're cooked but not fully cooked yet. Yeah, this is the chicken, right? And what I'm gonna do after this is I'm just simmering this. So I have the bay leaves, I have the black pepper, right? And I have the juice from the marinated juice from the chicken. And I'll give you a heads up when it's time to when I say it's done, okay? So right now I am simmering my adobo for about 5 to 8 minutes. And what I mean by simmering is simmering the juice, marinated juice, right? I didn't throw anything away, everything is here. So I'm simmering it, and then I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna put all the chickens back, and then I'll probably give them another 5 to 7 minutes, and it's ready to eat. All right. Okay, for the chicken adobo, it's right there. I'm drying it up. Put it all together right now. Simmering it. I'm gonna simmer it for a bit. Okay. So this is gonna be a dry chicken adobo. It's not wet. So it's not sticky. I didn't put a lot of sugar, right? Or any cornstarch. None of those. Okay, I'm just gonna simmer it. It's probably gonna take about another 10 minutes to simmer. So it's gonna be a dry chicken adobo. You know, typically they put carbohydrates in this, like potato or sweet potato. I didn't put any of those. All right, this is chicken adobo. I'm still simmering it. It's gonna be a dry chicken adobo. All right, this is my dry chicken adobo. Okay, it's completed. As you can see it here, right? I garnish it with green onion and sesame seeds, but you know what? You don't typically season it like this, just for presentation purposes. Okay, this is my chicken dry adobo. All right.